What is whaling attack or whale phishing in cybersecurity? In this video, we would try to understand that. Phishing is a technique using which attackers deceive a user into revealing sensitive details like passwords, pins, credit card details, or other sensitive personal details. The attackers later exploit the collected information to perpetrate even more cyber attacks on the victim. There are different types of phishing scams and each of them works differently. In this video, we would try to understand what whale phishing is. Whale phishing is a type of spear phishing in which attackers target senior executives of a company or other high-profile targets. Spear phishing is a type of phishing attack in which attackers collect some amount of information about a target before sending him a phishing email or SMS. We have already created another video on spear phishing, how it is different from bulk phishing, and how we can protect ourselves from spear phishing. The relevant links are provided in the description. In a whaling attack, attackers target senior executives of a company or other high-profile targets, and the primary purpose of attackers is to convince a victim to transfer a huge amount of money to the attackers or divulge sensitive information about the victim. Attackers often use the information later to perpetrate even more cyber attacks on the victim. Attackers often spend lots of time, effort, and other resources to collect information about a targeted victim in a whaling attack. For example, attackers may collect details about a targeted victim from social media or various other sources and use the collected information in the phishing email. As a result, the phishing email looks much more convincing to a victim and the victim is more likely to click on a link within the email or open an attachment to the email. Attackers sometimes also create fraudulent websites and use techniques like email spoofing and other social engineering techniques to convince the victim to transfer money or to divulge sensitive information to the attackers. As a result, it becomes challenging at times to detect whale phishing. Now, let's look at an example of a whale phishing email. This phishing email contains some warning signs that should have warned the victim. Interested viewers who want to know more about how attackers use different techniques in a phishing message and how to detect them or how to protect oneself from these attacks, please refer to the book Phishing Detection Analysis and Prevention. The relevant links are provided in the description. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy. The Security Buddy provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.